Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious guacamole without any tomatoes. This easy guide will help you create a fresh and flavorful dip perfect for any occasion. First, gather your essential ingredients. 3 ripe avocados, 1/4 cup of red onion, 2 tablespoons of fresh cilantro, 1 small jalapeno, 2 tablespoons of fresh lime juice, and a pinch of salt and pepper. Having everything ready makes the process smooth and enjoyable. Now that you have your ingredients, let's prepare the star of the show, the avocados. Carefully have your 3 ripe avocados and remove the large pits. Scoop the creamy green flesh into a medium-sized mixing bowl. Using a fork or a potato masher, gently mash the avocado to your desired consistency. Some prefer it super smooth, while others enjoy a chunkier texture. Aim for a nice balance that's easy to scoop. With your mashed avocado ready, it's time to add the vibrant flavors. Finely dice 1/4 cup of red onion and 2 tablespoons of fresh cilantro. For a little kick, mince 1 small jalapeno. Remember to remove the seeds and membranes if you prefer less heat. Stir these into the avocado along with 2 tablespoons of fresh lime juice. Finally, season with salt and pepper to taste, mixing everything thoroughly until well combined. Your homemade, tomato-free guacamole is now complete and ready to be enjoyed. Transfer the vibrant green dip into a nice serving bowl. For a beautiful presentation, you can garnish it with a fresh sprig of cilantro or a small lime wedge. Serve this incredible dip immediately with your favorite tortilla chips, crunchy vegetable sticks, or as a delicious topping for tacos. Enjoy your fresh and flavorful creation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.